Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. The first scaling solution based on zk-Ops, Orbis. In any case, this has also led to a multitude of projects building on Cardano, according to IOHK's Marketing and Communications Director, Tim Harrison. In a LinkedIn post on March 11, he said, "The Cardano ecosystem continues to grow, with now over 500 projects building on Cardano from NFT elections to DeFi lending and new wallets. Props to all the IOG team that continues to drive the platform forward. It has been a remarkable journey to get to here. And kudos to the innovative, passionate community of builders that has brought this project so far. We're really just getting started, you know." Harrison also attached a pie graph of the purported projects, and where they are focused, showing that NFT collections account for the lion's share. Despite recovering several $1,000s, the week still closed in the red, making it 7 in a row. This came even with yesterday's price increase to and beyond $30,000. In fact, the asset jumped to a multi-day high of over $31,000, where it stood for a while, but ultimately failed. The subsequent rejection drove it south by more than $2,000. In just a matter of hours, BTC slumped to around $29,500. As of now, it sits a few $100s upwards, and is close to the $30,000 mark. Bitcoin's market capitalization, which is down by over $100 billion in a week or so, is now situated at $565 billion. Its dominance over the altcoins has increased during the most recent corrections, and is above 44%. Assets on the cryptocurrency network, with less than 6% of all ADA holders, making profits from their investments. Such a low profitability rate is caused by the asset's price action, which remains unstable since the ETH reached back in August. Since then, the cryptocurrency has lost approximately 72% of its value. And second news today is over 500 projects building on Cardano, claims IOHK director. Cardano's network is reportedly attracting considerable interest, at least according to the Marketing and Communications Director of IOHK. Input-output. Back in September 2021, Cardano went through one of the most important mainnet upgrades called Alonso. It was part of the development cycle of Cardano known as the Gauguin era, and the most important part of it was the integration of smart contracts. Since then, the network went through other important upgrades, and saw important developments being made. One of them was Coin's network, makes it more unstable, and usually causes a spike in selling pressure amid short-term price rallies. This occurs as the majority of holders at a loss prefer selling at the break-even point, rather than holding out for profit in the future. As the in-out-of-the-money indicator on Into the Block suggests, Cardano remains one of the least profitable. If there's an outage on one, they still have a precise price, and can settle their futures. The other concern is regulatory. "We need to know where to send the paperwork," she said. "There's been a lot of demand for the Bitcoin and Ethereum products CME already offers. The commodities exchange, the total number of NFT projects is up to 5,549. According to the latest figures published by IOHK, Cardano native tokens have also increased to 4.7 million. Cardano price action. Cardano dropped to lows of 39 cents in the past week, as the crypto market experienced a sell-off. Cardano recovered, reaching highs of $0.613 on May 16 after 3 days in the green. Cardano is currently losing ground after gaining over 4% during the day. Cardano was trading at $0.553 at the time of publication, after hitting intraday highs of $0.613. On-chain analytics, Sentiment noted heightened whale activity for the 7th largest cryptocurrency over the weekend, which was reflected in the 3-day bounce. Cardano's whales showed a flurry of transactions yesterday, as prices were bottoming out to 40 cents, between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. UTC. These spikes have very commonly indicated price direction changes for ADA, and we're monitoring further whale activity closely. According to data from DeFi, the Cardano DeFi began offering options on micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures last week. The micro means that traders can buy derivatives contracts in increments worth 1/10 of Bitcoin's or Ethereum's price. Crypto derivatives products, like Bitcoin futures, allow investors to speculate on an asset's price without the need to physically hold the underlying asset. Investors use them to bet on price movement and hedge against the asset's volatility. The spot market, by contrast, deals with the real-time price and delivery of an asset. There's no buying a contract to buy or sell Bitcoin if it hits a certain price in the future. The transaction takes place immediately. We're off to a really good start. The screens are lit. We've had some really good trades, Shaw said. And just to unpack that a little bit, the micro Bitcoin futures contract we launched in May of last year, and already we've done. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40.